The AVA extension identifies an Avid Media Composer script file containing automation commands for professional video editing workflows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you create, run, or troubleshoot these video editing automation scripts. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for AVA problems. See below for my top choice. AVA files are script files for Avid Media Composer, a professional nonlinear video editing system. They contain automation commands for batch processing, media management, timeline operations, and custom workflow automation in post-production environments. Avid Media Composer AVA scripts store sequences of editor commands, macro definitions, and conditional logic for automating repetitive editing tasks. They access Media Composer's internal command set for timeline manipulation, media bin operations, and export workflows. The native handler for AVA files is usually Avid Media Composer from Avid Technology. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows provides limited built-in editing, so full functionality requires a video editor. The problem is often a missing file association. Right-click the AVA file and choose Open With. Start with Avid Media Composer if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your AVA file, that is okay. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here's a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, running scripts. Open Avid Media Composer and navigate to the Script menu or Tools section. Load the AVA script file and execute it. The script performs the automated operations defined in its command sequence. Monitor the console output for any error messages during execution. Next, editing scripts. Open AVA files in a text editor to modify automation commands. Reference Avid's scripting documentation for available commands and syntax. Modify parameters such as file paths, timecode values, and processing options to customize the automation for your specific workflow. Finally, creating custom scripts. Write new AVA scripts using Avid's documented command set. Start with simple operations and build complexity incrementally. Test scripts on project copies before running on production material. Save frequently used automation sequences as AVA files for team-wide workflow standardization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.